Let's see how to italicize text in your Wix website. Italicizing text in Wix helps emphasize certain words or phrases to improve readability and visual appeal. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to italicize text in Wix. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor and access the page where you want to modify the text. Click on the text box that contains the text you want to italicize. Next, highlight the specific text you want to modify. Then, right-click. Click the Edit Text. Next, a text editing toolbar will appear. Click on the I labeled as italic button to apply italic formatting to the selected text. Once done, click outside the text box to save the changes. And that's it. That's how you italicize a text in your Wix website. See you soon!